Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Propolis Spray Easy Guide. Spray once toward the back of your throat while exhaling, then swallow gently to coat tissues. Use 2 sprays per application unless the product label instructs otherwise. Repeat 3 to 4 times daily for acute irritation, or follow maintenance dosing if recommended. Stop use and consult a clinician for persistent symptoms or suspected allergy. When applying Propolis spray, always shake the bottle and remove the cap. Tilt your head slightly back, open your mouth, and exhale gently before spraying to avoid gagging. Deliver 1 to 2 sprays toward the back of the throat, then close your mouth and swallow to spread the extract evenly. Wait about 30 seconds before consuming food or drink, and do not exceed the recommended daily number of sprays stated on the product label. In this video, I will explain how to use Propolis Spray Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while using throat sprays, and I personally love the Oala water bottle for portability and leak resistance. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Propolis spray is generally safe, but can cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals, so test a small dose first. Avoid use during known bee product allergies, and consult a clinician before use in pregnancy or when taking immunosuppressive medications. Store the spray securely away from children and pets, and do not share the nozzle to reduce infection risk. If you notice worsening symptoms, rash, or breathing trouble, stop use immediately and seek care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.